Nonalicious Cooking. This time, I'm gonna show you how to cook Ilocos Bibingka. Bibingka means rice cake. And in the Philippines, in every region, they have this special rice cake. What I'm gonna show you is native to Ilocos region. So we are going to call this Ilocos Bibingka. So come on everyone, come cook with me. So here are our ingredients. I have here 1 pound of glutinous rice flour. You can buy this in Asian stores. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can of coconut milk. I have here 1.5 cups of sugar. We're also gonna be needing 1/4 cup of butter and 7 large eggs. Okay, so guys, this is very easy. We're just going to mix all the ingredients in one bowl. And after that, we're going to stir it and then pop it in on the oven. Okay, first the glutinous rice flour, then our sugar. Let's add in our evaporated milk. Next is our coconut milk. Let's add in our butter. This is 1/4 cup. And then last is our eggs. Mix everything well. At this point, I'm going to use my electric mixer. I'm going to use now my electric mixer. But if you don't have an electric mixer, you can do this manually. Just make sure that you mix everything well. I think I have achieved already the consistency that I want. Okay, so I put aluminum foil on my baking dish. Now I'm going to pour in my mix. Okay, so guys, this is now ready to bake. At first, you have to set your oven to 300 degrees. We will bake this for 30 minutes at 300 degrees, and then after 30 minutes, we're going to increase our heat to 350 degrees for another 30 minutes. So all in all, it will be 1 hour. And this is now our Ilocos Bibingka after 1 hour. We're supposed to rest this for at least like 1 hour, but guys, I can't resist it anymore. I want a taste of it. Let me taste it. Yum. Guys, this is really good. You must try this. Thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.